So here I'm going to show you how to add images into your Salon documents. Now before you can do that, you have to be able to save them in a local folder so you can take them into the repository later on. So let's say that we have this web document, and let's assume that I have the permission to copy this image. I'm going to right click and choose copy image. Then I'm going to go here and choose any editing program like Paint, and I'm going to paste the image into this window. Now this is the right size of a document or right size of an image that can go into a Salon document. So at this point I'm going to save this as a JPEG, and I'm going to call this Hillary and save it, and that's done. Now let's take another type of an image. Now this is a PDF document. So here what I'm going to do is, using the selection tool, I'm going to select the image and right click and say copy image. I'll go back to my Paint brush and then choose new and paste the image from the clipboard. Now this image is slightly bigger than the image that I had before. So what I need to do is to resize things. So I'm going to choose by pixels. I will take it to about a 400 and then click OK. So you got the image. But there's one problem here. There's a lot of white spaces here. So what I need to do is, before I save the image, I need to reduce the white space so that I don't have additional spaces that I have to deal with. So let's make the image the correct size. So here's the white space is all reduced now. Now I can take this image and save this as a JPEG. I'm going to call this Hillary 2 and then saved it into a folder. In the next video I'm going to show you how to take these images from the local machine to the Salon repository. So let me show you how you can take the images that you saved before and put them in documents. So what you need to do is start with create a document and click on this images and click on upload images. Now choose the images from your folder and click open and say upload. So it's done. So you have this first image that came into your folder, image repository. Now if you want to upload the second image, you can also do that. You click that and upload the second image. So here's the second image, here's the first image. Now these images don't need to be uploaded again and again. They can be reused and they will always be in your repository. So how do we author a document with these images? So let's take a look at this. So let me say that if I have the permission to copy this text, I'm going to copy this text and then put them in this text inside a Salon document. So here's the text inside the Salon document here. Now I like to insert the image, the first image, maybe this image here, into the document. Now one of the things you want to do is to have enough space here so that your cursor will show up at the right place. So have some spaces there and then choose the image and then insert that selected image. So the image is already there. Now let's try to take more text and paste this into the document. So let me just select this once again. If I have the permission to do it, I'm going to select this and go back to the Salon document and paste this text into the Salon document. So now I need to insert this image. So in order to do that, once again I'm going to create some space here to make sure that I don't lose the cursor, and then take the cursor back here and choose the image and insert that selected image. So you will be sent up. So here's your cursor, and then you can see that both images are included. In addition to that, you also have a link to that image. You can click on that and it can take you to the image. Now here, let me put more text into this to complete this document. So I'm going to copy this part here and choose and go back to the Salon and paste it here. So here it is. I'm done. And then what I need to do is to finish and create this document. Now if you have to make the settings right, you can click here, settings, and then you can give it a name. Let's call this Hillary and let's save this document. So the document is saved. Now you can click here, you can go to My Documents and you can look at the document called Hillary. So here's the Hillary document that we just created. And it looks much nicer if you look in the full screen here. So you can see the image just in the document. and this is all you got to do.